How to fix CIBC app not loading on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if not, then you can also switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. See if that helps, and if not, then you can also enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it again, as this will refresh your network connection, as the CIBC app requires a proper working internet connection to work smoothly. See if that helps, and if not, then you can also simply go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. And just in case if your issue was not fixed yet, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for CIBC Mobile Banking. Here, make sure that the CIBC app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app, as sometimes the older version of the app could be the issue for the error. See if that helps, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to CIBC application and tap on it, and further offload the app and reinstall the app again, as this will help in clearing the cache in the application. And if your issue was not fixed yet, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the CIBC banking application. Further, in the menu that appears, tap on Remove App and then tap on Delete App and then tap on Delete. Go ahead and delete the app and then open App Store and reinstall the app again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then it simply could be the server status error, so go ahead and check for CIBC Mobile Banking server, and if the server is down, then you will simply have to wait for the server to work. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix CIBC app not loading on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.